In this tutorial, we shall use egoXproject to help us get faster development builds, but leave the release version set up correctly. To do this, we need to disable dSym generation in our development builds, but leave it enabled in our release builds. First, add egoXproject to Unity. Open the Xcode project editor under Window, egoXproject, Xcode project editor. Create a new change file and name it debug. Add the debug information format build setting and set it to dwarf. Create a new change file and name it release. Add the debug information format build setting and set it to dwarf with dSym file. Switch to the Configuration tab. Here we can add and modify existing configurations, specifying which change files should be used. Create a new configuration and call it release. Rename the original default configuration debug. Set the debug change file to be used in the debug configuration, and the release change file in the release configuration. Switching to the Preview and Merge tab, we can see a summary of the changes that will be made. We can see the debug configuration uses the dwarf setting, and the release configuration will use the dwarf with dSym setting. Building the release version, we can see the Xcode project is set to create the dSym file. Switching to the debug configuration and applying the changes, we can see that the project is now not generating the dSym file, making builds much faster.